Okay, so we're going to use UPSL for this one again. So let me set this up. And then this right here. Okay, cool. So now it says Evan has 8 fish in his aquarium. 3 of these fish are clownfish. What percent of Evan's fish are clownfish? So what we need to figure out is the percent of Evan's fish are clownfish. We know he has 8 fish in his aquarium in total, and 3 are clownfish. Okay, so this is what we got to do. Okay, so first we need to type our question as an answer. Okay, so blank percent of Evan's fish are clown fish. Okay, so now here, okay, we have to set up our plan. So here our plan is to do part over my total equals to blank percent over 100. Okay, so again, Evan has 8 fish. So if he has 8 fish, is that my part or my total? So I'm going to make that T as my total because that is all the fish that he has in his aquarium. And I know from those fish, part of it, so P is my part, are clownfish. Okay, so here I'm going to set up my fraction to see if I need to simplify. Okay, so my total is 8, my part is 3. So from what it seems like here, I cannot simplify, okay, because there's nothing of 3 can go into 8 and nothing of 8 that can go into 3. So here I'm just going to set up my proportion then. So I'm going to have 3/8 is equal to blank percent over 100, okay? That looks like a 6, which should be a 0, sorry. So again, we're going to set up our proportion. So we set up our proportion and we're going to do butterfly, okay? So I'm going to multiply my 3 times my 100, again, because these 2 spots are filled out. So I have 300. Whatever is outside my bubble, I need to divide by 8. So divide by 8, okay? Now, from here, I need to see how many times 8 can go into 300. And I'm going to have you guys finish this one for me, okay? So that is what you guys are going to do on your own. All right, so you're going to pause the video and you guys are going to work it on your own and then come back to see if you got the correct answer, okay? So pause the video now and then check. So now from here, I'm going to continue. So then I know 8 cannot go into 3, so I'm going to put 0. Let me make it into a brighter color. So now 8 can go into 30 3 times. 8 times 3 is 24. So I'm going to subtract this by 24. Subtract. I need to borrow here, and this turns into a 2. Okay, so 10 minus 4 gives me 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. I need to bring down the 0. Okay, 8 can go into 60 7 times. So 8 times 7 is 56. I subtract, and then here I need to borrow again. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 5 minus 5 is 0. Remember, I need to add in my decimal and a 0 to continue my division. So I need to add my 0 here. How many times can 8 go into 40? And do not forget to bring up your decimal. That's 5. 8 can go into 45 times. I subtract and I get 0, so that's my final 0. So my answer here is 37.5.